Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. Hungry, you grab an apple from the fruit bowl. You look for the little sticker and then scrape it off with your fingernail. Then it hits you. What do the numbers on the sticker mean? As much as we don't like them, the stickers attached to fruit do more than speed up the checkout process. The PLU code, or price lookup numbers, tell you how the fruit was grown. By deciphering the numbers, you can tell if the produce was grown with chemical fertilizers, is genetically modified, or organically grown. The coding system was created by an international association to establish global standards for produce. Here's how to decode a sticker. 4-digit numbers denote conventionally grown produce, that is, grown with chemicals. 5 digits beginning with an 8, genetically modified. 5 digits beginning with a 9 means organically grown. Let's look at a banana. A conventionally grown banana may be marked 4011. A genetically modified one, 84011, and an organic one, 94011. As handy as it might be at the checkout stand, the tiny sticker is unpopular, not just with consumers, but with the industry itself. They are so sticky that you can't get them off easily, and to producers, the stickers are messy, expensive, and inefficient. The days of the PLU sticker are numbered. We'll learn about the new technology in a future show. Meanwhile, if, when you bite into an apple and realize half the sticker is gone, you'll be happy to know that at least the adhesive is considered food grade. For the UpBeet Gardener, I'm Marion Owen.